Easiest way to create data entry software in MS Access. Welcome to the channel. Data entry software in MS Access. Welcome to the channel. Let us know step-by-step guide to create software in MS Access. Here are the step-by-step instructions for creating a data entry software in MS Access. Open MS Access and select blank database from the available options. Choose a location to save the database and give it a name. Click on Create to create the new database. In the navigation pane, right-click on Tables and select Table Design to create a new table. Define the fields for the table by specifying the name, data type, and other attributes for each field. Ensure that the primary key field is defined, which uniquely identifies each record in the table. Save the table by clicking on Save from the Quick Access toolbar or pressing Ctrl+S. Create a form for data entry by right-clicking on Forms in the navigation pane and selecting Form Design. In the Design view, add the fields from the table by dragging and dropping them onto the form. You can also customize the appearance of the form using the available options in the ribbon. Save the form by clicking on Save from the Quick Access toolbar or pressing Ctrl+S. To add data to the form, click on Form View from the View selector in the lower left corner of the screen. Enter the data into the fields of the form and click on Save from the Quick Access toolbar or pressing Ctrl+S to save the record. You can add additional features such as validation rules, macros, and buttons to the form to enhance its functionality. Test the data entry software by entering data into the form and verifying that it is correctly saved to the table. Congratulations!